bending over backwards, for these modern women.
Oh, yeah. It's rough out there, man. It's like they expect you to be this Prince Charming.
They're just like a little peasant to them.
There's a way to flip the script, to stop being a simp and actually start attracting women on your own terms.
It's about tapping into your best self.
You're visualizing the process, the behaviors.
The you that women actually want to be around.
The you that gets laid.
Yeah, exactly. Welcome back to Simply Not Simp. All right, so have you ever felt like you're just bending over backwards, for these modern women?
Oh, yeah.
And they just treat you like a doormat. They're just like a little peasant to them.
It's rough out there, man. It's like they expect you to be this Prince Charming, showering them with gifts and attention, but they wouldn't even look at you twice if you weren't throwing money at them.
It's crazy, right?
It is. It's like, where did this whole entitlement come from?
I don't know. It's enough to make you want to just swallow the black pill and just give up.
The black pill is tempting, man. I'm not going to lie.
Yeah.
I've been there. But you know what?
Yep.
There's another way.
Okay.
There's a way to flip the script, to stop being a simp and actually start attracting women on your own terms.
Okay, I'm listening. This sounds interesting.
It's all about visualization, man.
Visualization.
Yeah. You know how athletes use visualization to improve their performance?
Yeah, like picturing themselves winning the race or hitting that game-winning shot.
Exactly. It's the same principle. It's about training your mind to believe it so your body can achieve it.
Okay, but how does that apply to dating? I'm not trying to win a gold medal here. I'm just trying to get a date.
Think of it like this. You're not just visualizing the outcome. You're visualizing the process, the behaviors, the actions that lead to success.
Okay, so instead of just picturing myself with a hot girl, I should be picturing myself actually talking to her, flirting with her, making her laugh.
Bingo! You gotta visualize yourself being confident, engaging, making a move. And most importantly, you got to visualize her being receptive to it.
So I'm basically creating this mental movie where I'm the star and I'm getting the girl.
You got it. And the more you replay that movie in your mind, the more you believe it, the more likely it is to become your reality.
This is starting to sound less like self-help and more like some Jedi mind trick.
It's all about rewiring your brain, man.
Okay. I'm down to rewire some shit. Let's do this.
That's the spirit. So let's dive into some specific scenarios where visualization can really level up your dating game.
Yeah, give me some examples.
All right, let's say you're on a dating app, swiping through endless profiles.
Oh, yeah, I know that feeling.
Right, and you see this girl with a killer ass.
Yeah.
Amazing tits.
Yeah.
Instead of freaking out and crafting some lame-ass message, you gotta visualize yourself as the prize.
Wait, hold up. You're saying I should picture her being all over me just because I swiped right?
Not quite, but imagine this. She's intrigued by your profile. She's digging your vibe. She wants to know more.
Okay.
See yourself crafting a message that's confident, playful, maybe a little bit cocky.
Okay.
And picture her responding, eager to meet up.
Okay, that's actually a way better approach than my usual, hey, beautiful bullshit. I'm usually just like, hey, or something.
Right, exactly. So you got to step it up, and visualization can help you do that.
Okay, so what about when I'm actually face-to-face with a woman? How do I use visualization to not be a total dork and actually make a move?
Okay, so let's say you're at a bar and you lock eyes with this smoking hot chick.
Okay.
Instead of letting your anxiety take over, picture yourself walking over there with swagger. Like I'm some kind of badass.
Exactly. Imagine yourself starting a conversation, making her laugh, feeling that connection building.
Okay.
You got to see it to believe it, man. Be yourself, but with a little more confidence.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Be myself, but with more swagger.
Exactly. Visualization isn't about becoming someone you're not. It's about tapping into your best self. The you that's relaxed, funny, and magnetic. The you that women actually want to be around.
The you that gets laid.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. The you that gets laid.
I like that version of it.
That's the one we want to bring out.
Okay, so, but what about when that little voice in my head starts whispering like, dude, she's way out of your league, don't even bother.
The dreaded inner simp.
Yeah, he's a little bitch.
We all have that little bastard lurking in the shadows. But here's the beauty of visualization. You can use it to shut that fucker down.
Oh yeah, show him his boss.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So instead of picturing yourself getting rejected, you should imagine her being totally into you.
Visualize her being drawn to your confidence, your humor, your energy. You got to believe you're worthy, man.
Yeah.
You got to own it. It's about time, man. It's time to ditch that simp mentality and step into your power.
All right, let's do it.
All right.
Let's ditch the simp.
No more simping.
All right.
We're done with that.
We're done.
We're moving on to bigger and better things.
All right. I like it.
So are you ready to dive into some more advanced techniques?
Yeah. Let's take it to the next level.
All right, let's do it.
Okay. So we've been talking about this whole visualization thing to ditch the simp mentality.
Yeah.
How do we actually use this in real life, though?
Yeah.
Like, I get the whole mental rehearsal thing.
Right.
But can you give me, like, specific scenarios where it can actually make a difference?
Yeah, totally. So let's say you're going to a party, hoping to maybe hook up with some hot chicks. It's easy to feel intimidated walking into a room full of people, especially if you're not exactly Mr. Social Butterfly. You know what I mean?
Oh, dude, I feel that.
Huh.
My anxiety goes through the roof just thinking about it. Like, what if I end up just standing in the corner all night looking like a total loser?
Right.
While all the hot chicks are, like, grinding on some douchebag with a popped collar.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's where visualization comes in, my friend. Before you even leave your house, close your eyes and picture yourself walking into that party like a fucking rock star.
Like a Mick Jagger or something.
Yeah, exactly. Like you own the place.
Okay.
Visualize yourself with your head held high, a smirk on your face, and that I don't give a fuck swagger.
Okay.
Imagine yourself making eye contact with those hot chicks, starting conversations, effortlessly being the life of the party.
Okay, I can see how that would make a difference. But what if I'm just not that outgoing? Like, I don't want to force myself to be someone I'm not.
Right. It's not about being someone you're not. It's about unleashing the confident motherfucker that's already inside you. Even if you're more of an introvert, you can still visualize yourself interacting with people in a way that feels authentic and comfortable.
Okay. So instead of trying to be the center of attention, I can picture myself having, like, chill, engaging conversations with few cool people.
Exactly. It's about quality over quantity. You don't need to impress everyone in the room.
Okay.
Just focus on connecting with those who vibe with your energy.
Got it. So I'm visualizing myself walking in with confidence, maybe grabbing a drink at the bar, scanning the room for some potential action. Now, how do I actually approach a woman without my balls crawling up into my stomach?
All right, this is where visualization becomes your secret weapon. So let's say you spot a hottie across the room.
Yeah.
Instead of overthinking it and letting your anxiety take over, visualize yourself walking over there with a smooth, confident stride.
So I'm not awkwardly shuffling over there like a lost puppy.
No, you're like a panther stalking its prey. You know what I mean? And imagine yourself starting a conversation that's playful, engaging, and makes her want to know more.
So what, I just walk up to her and be like, hey, you're hot.
Yeah.
Let's bang.
No. Easy killer.
Okay.
It's not about being crude or aggressive.
Okay.
It's about being confident and showing genuine interest. Maybe you comment on her style or ask her a question about the music.
Right.
The key is to visualize yourself initiating the interaction with ease and confidence, like you're already in control of the situation.
Okay. So I've approached her. The conversation's flowing. She seems into me. Now, how do I escalate things without looking like a desperate creep?
Visualization can help you maintain that confident, playful vibe throughout the interaction. Picture yourself making eye contact, listening to what she's saying, and responding in a way that shows you're genuinely interested.
Okay.
And visualize yourself escalating the interaction naturally without forcing it.
So no cheesy pickup lines or trying to cop a feel too soon?
Well, no. It's about reading her cues and responding accordingly. Maybe you suggest moving to a quieter spot where you can hear each other better, or offer to buy her a drink.
Right.
The key is to visualize yourself gradually building that connection and sexual tension.
All right, this is starting to make sense. But what if she's just not into it? What if she shuts me down or just gives me the cold shoulder?
Yeah.
My ego can only take so much rejection,
Rejection's a bitch, no doubt.
Yeah.
But here's where visualization can help you stay in the game. Picture yourself recognizing those signals and gracefully disengaging from the conversation.
So I'm not begging for her attention or trying to convince her that I'm actually a cool guy.
No.
Just accept it and move on.
Exactly. You're not going to click with every woman you meet, and that's totally fine.
Okay.
Remember, you visualize yourself as a man with options.
Yeah.
So don't dwell on the ones who aren't feeling it. There are plenty of other fish in the sea, my friend.
That's a good reminder. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and take rejection personally.
Yeah.
But you're right. There's no point wasting my time on someone who's not interested.
Exactly. And that's why visualization is so powerful. It helps you reframe rejection as a redirection, not a defeat.
Okay, so let's say the conversation's going great. The chemistry is undeniable, and I'm ready to make a move. How do I use visualization to nail that first kiss without looking like a total goofball?
The first kiss is a big deal, man. It can make or break the whole night. And again, visualization can help you approach it with confidence and finesse.
Okay. So I'm picturing myself leaning in. She's leaning in. Our lips are about to meet. And then what if she freaks out or turns her head away? I've definitely had that happen before, and it's pretty damn humiliating.
That's why you got to be attuned to her body language, dude. Is she making eye contact? Is she leaning closer? Is there a playful energy between you? If you're getting those signals, then visualize yourself going for the kiss in a smooth, natural way.
So I'm not just planting one on her without any warning.
No.
I'm being attentive and respectful.
Damn right. It's about creating a moment of connection, not forcing anything. And even if she doesn't immediately reciprocate, visualize yourself handling it with maturity and understanding. Maybe she's just nervous or not ready yet. Don't let it throw you off your game.
Okay, that's a good point. I've definitely been in situations where I've misread the signals and ended up feeling like an idiot.
Yeah.
But you're right. It's all about paying attention to her cues and respecting her boundaries.
Exactly. And the more you practice visualization, the more confident and intuitive you'll become in those situations.
Man, this visualization stuff is really starting to change my whole perspective on dating. It's like I'm unlocking a hidden power within myself.
That's what it's all about, man. It's about tapping into your potential and becoming the best version of yourself.
I'm ready to ditch the simp life for good and step into my power.
That's the spirit. Now, are you ready to take it to the next level with some advanced visualization techniques?
Hell yeah. Bring it on. Okay, so we've covered like the basics of visualization.
Yeah.
And some pretty badass techniques for approaching women. Handling rejection like a champ.
Exactly.
But I'm ready to take this even further. What are some of those like advanced visualization techniques you mentioned that can really blow this whole thing wide open?
All right, let's talk about scripting.
Scripting.
Yeah, it's like taking visualization to the next level. Instead of just picturing things in your head, you're actually writing out a detailed narrative of how you want a particular scenario to play out.
So I'm basically writing a screenplay for my own life. Like with all the hot chicks and epic wins.
Damn right. You're the director, the screenwriter, and the leading man in your own movie.
Okay, I'm intrigued. How does this scripting thing actually work? Do I need to like buy a fancy notebook and a feather pen?
Nah, man. Keep it simple, grab a pen and paper, or even just use your phone's notes app.
Okay.
The point is to get those thoughts out of your head and onto something tangible.
So let's say I'm scripting a first date with a girl I've been chatting with online.
Okay.
What kind of details should I include?
Start with the setting. Where are you meeting? What's the vibe like? What are you both wearing? Then get into the conversation. What are you talking about? Are you making her laugh? Is there a flirty, playful energy between you?
So I'm basically writing a scene from a romantic comedy, but with me as the smooth-talking leading man.
Exactly. And don't hold back on the details, man. Describe the way she touches your arm when she laughs, the way her eyes light up when you tell her a story. The more vivid and engaging your script, the more powerful the visualization will be.
Okay, I'm starting to see how this could work. It's like I'm creating my own reality one scene at a time.
Yeah.
But life doesn't always go according to plan. What happens when those unexpected curveballs get thrown my way?
That's true. But even if things don't go exactly as you've scripted, having that mental blueprint helps you stay grounded and focused on the overall outcome you want. It's like having a roadmap, even if you have to take a few detours along the way.
So it's like even if she spills her drink all over me or her ex shows up and tries to start a fight,
yeah,
I've already visualized myself handling the situation with confidence and grace.
You got it. You're not thrown off balance because you've already mentally rehearsed for those challenging moments.
Okay, scripting is definitely going to my toolbox of mental ninja moves. What other advanced techniques you got?
Let's talk about anchoring.
Anchoring.
This technique is all about associating a specific physical sensation or object with a desired emotional state.
Wait, what? Can you break that down for me? It sounds kind of out there.
So let's say you want to feel more confident when you're approaching women. Choose a simple physical gesture, like touching your ring finger or an object like a particular bracelet.
Okay.
And consciously associate it with that feeling of confidence.
So I'm basically creating a mental trigger that instantly puts me in the zone.
Exactly. By repeatedly pairing that physical sensation with the feeling of confidence, you're creating a powerful mental link. So the next time you're feeling nervous or intimidated, you can simply touch that object or perform that gesture, and boom, you're flooded with a wave of confidence.
Damn, that's pretty slick. It's like having a secret weapon that nobody else knows about.
It's all about using your mind to your advantage, man.
Okay, I'm sold on these techniques.
Yeah.
But let's be real for a second. Does all this visualization stuff actually work in the long run? Can it really change my life?
Visualization is a powerful tool, But it's not a magic wand.
Okay.
It's most effective when combined with consistent action and a genuine desire for growth.
So it's not enough to just sit around fantasizing about banging supermodels. I actually have to put in the work.
Damn right. Visualization helps you clarify your goals, build your confidence, and stay motivated. But it's up to you to take action and make shit happen.
Got it. So visualization is like the blueprint.
Yeah.
And action is the construction crew that brings my dream life to reality.
That's a perfect analogy. The more you practice visualization, the more aligned your actions will become with your desires, and the faster you'll manifest the life you want.
Man, this has been an epic deep dive into the world of visualization.
Yeah.
I'm feeling inspired, motivated, and ready to level up my game. Any final words of wisdom for our listeners before we wrap things up?
Remember this. You have the power to create the reality you desire. It all starts with the vision you hold in your mind. So start visualizing. Start taking action and watch your life transform.
That's some powerful shit right there. I think our listeners are walking away from this deep dive with a whole new understanding of how to use their minds to achieve their goals, both in the dating world and beyond.
Absolutely.
We hope you enjoyed the ride and learned some valuable tools to help you conquer your fears, achieve your goals, and live a life that's truly badass. Until next time, keep those visualizations strong and those actions even stronger.